Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to turn on the G gas water. So here is your control panel and here is your little window which you can actually take it out, and then from here you can see whether you have flame or not. I just turn it on. So what you need to do, normally this button is always on, which you have to move to pilot, and then you have to, this normally goes up to hot. You have to come all the way till here. You can see, don't go to vacation mode because then gas will off. Then you have to make sure you push this button. This has to go all the way down. You see this? If this piece is stucking with this, it might just go like this and it will never turn it on. So you have to make sure it goes all the way down, and once it is done, keep pressing this, and this is lighter. You have to push these two buttons together, and then you have to see from here your gas is on. Now once it is on, you come here, you turn it on. You might have heard the sound, and you have to turn this on to hot. And if you see, the flame will like increase like this, and later on you have to simply put this piece here, like this. You all set? Thank you.